Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can claim your gift. Every day you can get a gift or from a match and from event you can claim this gift or you can get this gift. So what you need to do is tap this one. This is a gift box. Tap it. So in this gift box you can claim all a gift that games give to you, like this is most important, like tactical point. You can claim this one by one or you can claim all. Tap claim all and you have claimed the above gift. Tap OK, get back to home page. So don't miss it. This is a pretty much valuable. It's very useful. So don't miss out the gift. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. Enjoy the gift.